Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Thank you for joining me today. And today I want to talk about a video file that you recorded on your phone, which I recorded with my Pixel 5 phone and used an external microphone, as you can see here. And when I went to play the video, my lips were not matching my voice. Let me go ahead and show you.
Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. It is 3:30 and I just got my daily harvest order.
So I was like, why isn't this working? This is in Camtasia 2020. I hadn't had this problem before. So I reached out to TechSmith and they helped me resolve the issue. So if you're having a problem with your voice not matching your lips, then these are the steps that you can do. And it may even work if you don't take a video with your smartphone. It may be your camera. So let me go ahead and minimize the screen. So I got a response back from Eric at TechSmith Support. And what he said was this can sometimes occur if the video was recorded in Kodak that's not compatible with Camtasia. So there's a free program called Handbrake. You may be familiar with it. So first, what you're going to do is go to this website, handbrake.fr, and you are going to download it. Then the next step, he said, video on what settings to choose in Handbrake. So, and I'll put these links. You're going to go to this website and it's going to walk you through this tutorial of how to set it up with all the settings, and so it does step by step. Now, when you do that and you download Handbrake, one of the things that it needed was me to download the .NET runtime. So at first I did the console download, but you want to do is the desktop version, and I did the x64. Now, when I went to do that and I converted the file, let me go ahead and show you. And I'm going to go ahead and import that. And so here it is. This is the new file. I'm going to go ahead and put it in there. Now, I don't know if I lose resolution on that, and again, all in the settings, but at this point I had already uploaded to YouTube. It wasn't any issue, but let me go ahead and play and show you. This is the version after using and converting it from Handbrake.
Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. It is 3:30 and I just got my daily harvest order.
So this is how it worked, and it worked well, and those are the steps that you should take when you're having issues with your voice matching your lips. So I wanted to share this with you, as I'm sure since I had this issue, you may run into that as well, and hopefully this video is of help to you. If it is, greatly appreciate a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, would like to subscribe to my channel, click that subscribe button, and of course the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos when they come out. So thank you so much for joining me today. Appreciate your time, and I hope this was of help. Take care.